Do you want to become a profitable trader? Hi, I'm CA Rudramurthy, author, trader, and trainer, welcoming you to Easy Money Show. Nifty today closed at 15,175, up a whopping 270 points, and Bank Nifty closed at 34,600 and it was up a whopping 1,272 points just in a single day. The speed in which today market went up, first of all those people who shorted yesterday in the last 1 hour, they were fully caught. Market today went up for two important reasons. Reason number one, there was lot of short covering. What is short covering? People who went short yesterday, they started covering their position and they were throwing their towel as they started making more and more losses. They were desperate to get out at any price. If this was one reason which we call as short selling, at another side, people started even buying. Morning it was at 9:16 a.m., just 1 minute after market started, and when I saw those levels of 15,015, as told today morning in our Easy Money program, when 15,015 was held clearly, I said at 9:16 a.m. when I just wrote to my mentorship students as well as HNI clients above 15,015, I told it's a clear buy, looking for targets of 15,070 to 15,100. But however, I even never predicted or thought you will see this move of 270 points on Nifty. And I also told today, if we see close above 15,100, then I said there will be huge short covering and market will definitely move on the other side, trying to test the all-time highs very soon. The speed in which markets went up today, bears were making prayers. For the first time I have seen in my experience where bears are making prayers to close the market early. And I'm telling you, if market had not closed as usual at 3:30, if we would have let it go for another half an hour or 1 hour, the speed in which shorts were getting covered at every level and market closing at the highs of the day, it was as if today itself market would have gone to all time highs if you would have kept it open for another half an hour or 1 hour. That was the move which we saw today in Nifty, and Bank Nifty was nowhere short. In fact, it was outperforming, and SBI results was the stellar killer call, and this can only happen through the power of market profile. In fact, I know many people say they know market profile, but learning market profile with logic and learning market profile with magic are not same. Many people think it is just the software and some green line crossing red line and some indicator, if it shows the move, we can predict the market that way. Do remember, this is for beautiful learning to all my regular viewers of Easy Money program. I'm telling software will only assist a trader to decide what market will do, but software can never take the decision. Let me repeat, software will never take the decision, but it will assist a trader, and trader has to take the decision. It is like a doctor using some scan report or stethoscope, and scan reports or stethoscope will not take the decision. Doctor has to take the decision, but those scan reports will help him to make the analysis better. So softwares are useful for you to take the decision better, but software should never take the decision, which is a very, very important experiential learning, which I'm sharing on chart or technical analysis. Now, FIIs today bought to the extent of 510 crore, and DIA is also bought to the extent of 650 crore. And today, above 15,100, the speed in which shorts got covered and fresh buying started, people who were short, they were ready to throw their towel at any price. This was also beautifully seen on order flow charts where people were just covering their shorts at one side, and at another side fresh buying was so powerful. And today I want to show you the chart check of two important chart checks I will make in our special segment on chart check. And the first one which I'm just showing to you on your screen is all about Bitcoin. And this Bitcoin USD dollar, I showed you clearly and told after this huge fall, what we saw on one single day, where the stock and the crypto and this Bitcoin, the specific crypto which was collapsing, it came till this crucial support zones of about 30,000. On this day, I told surely you will see a bounce back or a move towards previous support now acting as resistance. I even told you there is this head and shoulder formation, and we call this move back to those levels as reverse move. And I told this reverse move is at around 42,000, and any bounce to these levels of 42,000 or any bounce to closer to these levels have to be a clear exit, irrespective of whether you are in profit or loss. I told you have to exit. And do watch the video on Bitcoin which I have already posted with this analysis on what next in Bitcoin. And if you see very clearly, the last two sessions high, if you see 42,605, and today's high if you see 42,275. So in such a volatile underlying asset, we were able to catch that number 42,000, and the move is around that 42,000 to 44,000 level. And you have seen again Bitcoins back to 37,900 levels right now. And as I told you, this reverse move and then the move back to the support, and this move on further downside, will it happen or not, you can analyze once we get back and test these support zones. And for me, this is what we mean by practical and correct chart reading. You will not be right on every call what you take on market, and charts cannot be right every time, but I can tell you surely you can make money if you understand that yes, charts are the footprints of making money. But do you know the practical way of reading the chart? Charts in fact speak to you, but can you understand their language? That is where the true, real, easy learning comes. And that's the reason why you have this show every day called as Easy Money. Now, if you keep Bitcoin aside, I want to also show you today what happened in SBI. And I even tweeted during live market hours. In my Twitter handle, I am Rudramurthy, which I've even given in the description below, because this Easy Money program, I do it once morning in the pre-market report, and evening I give you the post-market report. But during live market hours, I tweeted when SBI results got announced, I told yes, there will be some profit booking because non-stop it has gone from 330 to 390 level. And I clearly told when market came down, it came down till 378. And once 378 tested and it came back to 385, 387 on SBI, I tweeted live saying that the selling and the profit booking is over. It is time for people to get back to SBI. And people now ask me, it is easy to tell this right now, but telling it during live market hour is a different story. I always say, and let me give you this fantastic story. There was a heart surgeon and there was also a car mechanic. And once this heart surgeon car has some trouble, so he goes to the mechanic, all the battery work, everything is done, and the whole car engine is removed and it is been set right. And finally the car mechanic charges for this entire work 50,000 rupees. The surgeon or the doctor pays that money and then he leaves. Another day the car mechanic will have a heart problem. He goes to the heart surgeon, and the heart surgeon does an open heart surgery. He removes the heart, makes all the things right, and then the operation is successful. The car mechanic asks the heart surgeon, what is the bill? Doctor says 5 lakh. Then this poor car mechanic, he says, no problem, I have my money, take your 5 lakh, but please tell me, you are charging 5 lakh for me to repair the engine of mine, which was my heart, whereas when I did the repair to your car, the charge was only 50,000. Both were same. One is the engine of car which was 50,000 charge, whereas my engine when you repaired, why is it 5 lakh? Why is this difference? The heart surgeon, the doctor replied very beautifully. He said, you repaired the car engine when car was off. I can't switch off your heart and then make the repair. When the engine is on, when the heart is beating, I have to make the repair. Imagine me offing the heart and then making the repair, you would have been no more. Now you imagine making that car engine repair when engine is on and you keep your hands inside. If you understand the difference, now you know why 50,000 is for car engine repair and why for the heart or the human body engine repair it is 5 lakh. The difference here is between a live trade and a storytelling. What you saw, live tweet I gave you, is the heart on live marketers to give the tweet, and what you can see it later on is only when the engine is off, the repair looks beautiful and easy. Hope you understood what I said. And this live tweet, what I gave, was possible only because on Twitter, I was able to give this live market analysis as and when the result came. The market reacted. I saw it in market profile chart and I saw the buying coming also supported by order flow. And then what happened rest is SBI closing at around 404 levels in futures, and still it will attempt back to its all-time highs now, and further move can never ever be ignored. And all these things right now, I want to again show it to you on chart. Let us see the SBI chart right now on screen and see what analysis you can look at and what will be the next kind of a move on SBI. So SBI chart now on your screen. Now this was the crucial support of 378 which SBI took, and this support which it took today post result, it gave that correction. I'm referring to daily chart here, took that support at 378 and it closed over 400 decisively. Now the move towards this levels of 425 is what I see. So if you see the highs which it has made on this candle, 427, so I now see a move possible to these 425 427 zones, and once it breaks this 425, further up move can definitely be seen on SBI. So SBI will now first test these levels of 425, and then beyond this it will make a further move on the upside. Now for all long positions, this support at 378 will be a crucial support. That is where I'll keep stop loss for the positional trade. Might be 2 rupees down for volatility, so I will be keeping a stop loss on closing basis for all the positional or a swing trade at 376, and look at targets of 425 to first come, and beyond that levels SBI will march and try to make a catch up. For long term, definitely targets of even 500 plus is possible on SBI. And you all know repeatedly, even for long term investment, the two PSU banks which I was recommending is one SBI and two it is Canara Bank. So I'm very sure these inputs are adding lot of value to you in terms of learning. And in today's program we saw what is short covering, we saw the example of live market trade, and also what I tweeted today for you was live in market hours when I told you SBI has done its correction whatever is required post results, and in fact it came down 3%. 391.92 was the futures level. From 392 it came down to 378, and I'm not talking mid cap small cap stock, I'm talking an F&O large cap biggest PSU bank SBI came down 3% from 392 to 378 levels, and from there once it came to 385.87 I told the support is getting held, and that is when I tweeted non-stop move to the highs, and it closed from minus 3% to plus 4.5%. So this was the intraday move, and especially people who want to do intraday trades, Never do intraday trading without learning market profile. If not from Rudra, learn from anyone who gives you the practical learning, easy learning, and logical learning, and not magical learning. So, unless you have this learning with you, earning will never ever come. So I'm just giving you all the possible inputs on Bitcoin, and also now I gave you on SBI, overall market, short covering. All this learning sure will make you a profitable trader over a period of time. Thanks for watching this video, and do forward this without fail to as many people as possible in social media and also in WhatsApp and Telegram. Hit the bell icon right now so that you get immediate notification. Subscribe for your channel Rudralogy, and without fail, if you want during live market hours when the heart is pumping, that is when you want to have the call, I will provide to you freely in my Twitter channel. I am Rudramurthy, which is given in the description below. Do like me in Twitter so that you get live market updates. Thank you for watching, and have a profitable trading day, and have a nice weekend with lot of learning for tremendous earning. Thank you.